To perform the seated cable row, have a seat on your equipment and plant your feet firmly on the machine. Then lean forward with a straight back and grab your pulley. From there, sit back just a little farther to create tension before you start the exercise. Drive your shoulders down and inhale deeply as you drive your elbows back and squeeze your shoulder blades behind you. Exhale as you come forward and then repeat the exercise. Make sure that you drive your elbows back, keeping your core engaged and hinging as little as possible at the hip. Maintain good form through all repetitions. This exercise is called the seated cable row. You might have a different machine at your gym, but they're all about the same. We just need a place to put our feet, a cable handle like this, and some weight. Let's get into it. The seated cable row is an amazing exercise for the lats, the traps, the rhomboids, and the biceps. Notice how while Katie's doing the exercise, she's not doing it in just her arms, she's using her back and squeezing those muscles behind her, keeping tension the entire time. She's got strong planted feet and she's controlling her breathing. So I'm gonna have Katie use just her arms because it's a very common mistake in this exercise. See how she's curved forward and fallen forward and now she's only using her arms? That's not great. We wanna keep her chest up, squeeze those shoulder blades behind her, and use the back muscles to complete the seated cable row. Excellent job, Katie.